Alur, wake up! Look what I got!
Wait. Is this a peacock feather hat? My wonderful brother! Where did you get this?
Papa and I went to the festival, right? Well, guess what happened?
My fine papa and wonderful brother must have sold all the wine.
Selling wine alone wouldn't buy something like this. We met a master. He owns all this land. Noble blood, generous and kind. He loved our wine and gave us so many gifts. I traded some of the gifts and scraped together enough for this hat. There. Go ahead. Try it on.
Oh no, I couldn't. I'd get it dirty. I'll put it up. If he likes my wine, I'll...
You... what?
I won't tell you. Oh, moonlight, oh, moonlight. Come on, Moon. Come out, so Papa and Brother can leave early.
Papa, let's go! We need to reach the Master's estate before dawn.
Keep the windows shut. Watch the fire. Add plenty of wood. Don't be stingy. And watch out for wolves.
I'm not a baby now. Go already. You've got a long night of walking ahead.
My little girl's all grown up. Looking out for her old...
When we get back, you can finally relax, Papa. We made red wine this time. Not as deep as the legendary moonlight wine, dark as the night sky, but it's still rare. The Master said last year he'd give us this land. He's sure to reward us even more now.
Those that are crying, wave goodbye. Red ruby eyes shining bright.
We'll be back soon, Alur!
Hurry back! Is heaven taking... Glittering green ice grapes! If this is real, then the moonlight wine isn't just a dream. Barefoot wanderers go roam. Green grapes come to my home. How did you do this, kind stranger? Please tell me. I'll give you anything. I've tried so many times. The moon passes through the branches, but won't stay. The vines keep withering. Nothing grows. I must have done something wrong. What did I do wrong? Am I too stupid? Not devoted enough? Why won't the moon and the ice grapes? What did I do wrong? My father and brother are suffering, locked away for offending the Master, and I can't even grow one vine. I don't mean to burden you. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. Please help me. If you can't, Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll leave tomorrow to find the place where these ice creeps can ferment. A tower. Called Homesite Tower. I can't climb it without you. Please. You have to come with me. Once I brew the moonlight wine and make amends, the Master will forgive us. He has to. It's the most wondrous the place you came from. The most beautiful place. It's real. The secret recipe is hidden in an old song. Every winemaker knows it, but no one's ever brewed it. But now it's different. My friend, we can brew the moonlight wine. Once we do, we built a frame, a trellis for the grave, under a starless night sky. Bitter cold wind. Oh, there you are, as promised.
It's freezing. What is this place?
It belongs to a Tom princess. She built this tower and spent every day and night at the top, longing for home. One day, she vanished. So did the Tang Empire. The tower's been covered in frost ever since. I tried going in once. The cold, the wind, it nearly blew me off.
Let me take a look around.
Watch for fires and wine. They'll help keep off the cold. Are you alright?
I'm freezing. This fire's about to go out. Got to keep stoking it.
I'll tend it. Great
Has anyone else been here before?
winemakers. Many who dreamed of brewing moonlight wine came here. I don't want to leave my wine here.
This... the Yuan?
Drink together.
Sticky rice, with the tartness of green plums. There are no plums around here. My uncle gave me some when I ran from my wedding. The pits sprouted in my wine jar. I knew I wouldn't make the climb when I entered. This isn't moonlight wine. I leave it to those who come after.
So his home tastes like green plums. My home had no plums. Not much fruit at all.
Oh, that's much warmer. I'll try going higher.
I'll watch the fire. Wander, are you alright? Thank heavens, you're awake. You passed out from the cold. Must be something.
Yuan was a...
I'm sorry.
No. I'll help you save your family. If I can bring one more family back together... I'm better now. Let me keep going.
eyebrows are freezing. There's wine here too. Someone else made it this bar. Oh, let's drink a little. Warm up.
Burn the bones of Raksh. You nursed me. The one who gave me the blade said every soul in our tribe is precious. As long as the wine is there, they lived. They said my wine could speak to spirits. It holds the bones of everyone I ever knew. But I never heard them myself. It's been too long. I put my own bones in this time. Again.
Strong stuff.
And so bitter.
Harsh and bitter. Burns the tears right out of you.
Is this what home tasted like for him?
Maybe he was afraid no one would remember it if it wasn't bitter enough. I'll keep climbing.
Yeah. So cold. I can barely hear myself.
This is the last jar around here. A few sips, and we keep moving.
Good wine don't need to burn. It needs... wine's like a man. One time. My name's Selves.
That scent. So fierce. So alive.
His home must have been a wild, beautiful place.
Every wine tastes different. Every home is different. So, what would a wine that brings everyone home?
Alur! The wind's too strong. Can't even see the moon.
Clouds swallowed up the stars. Wind, bitter cold, brews moonlight wine. I see. The higher you climb, the colder it gets, the brighter the moonlight. This is the coldest place, the brightest moonlight. I'm not afraid. I won't be afraid.
Alur! Can't light a fire up here!
Let the wind rest. Let the clouds part. Oh, look at me. I'm begging you. Let the lost find their way home. Give me the moonlight wine. Give it to me.
Alur! We're not dead.
We have the moonlight wine, just like the legend says. Wait. But it's supposed to be deep red, dark as the night. No. No.
The moon on the tree. Ice scrapes growing. The coldest place. Moonlight in the wine. We did all of it.
I must have done something wrong. I peeled the grapes, used a wooden barrel, held it close. What did I miss? Maybe something's still missing?
Maybe we could try again.
It's too late. The Master's banquet is tomorrow. If I can't present wine, I'll never get another chance.
Then let's go. No one's ever seen real moonlight wine. It's only a legend. What we made is as close as it gets. Tell a story 3 times, and it becomes true. Out here, you are who you say you are. If there's such a thing as moonlight wine, we're holding it.
He won't figure it out, will he? He knows his wine. If he catches me lying...
Who said anything about lying? Relax. I've done this before. I'm coming with you. Are you ready, Ainur?
We'll go to the banquet first.
Your father and brother can come home. Ainur, you'll be reunited with your family again.
I'll do it. I know I can. I just know. My lord, please, taste this wine. It's like moonlight wine.
Relax.
I can do it. This is moonlight wine. Please taste the legendary moonlight.
It smells wonderful. Truly, I almost
It smells so good. It's been so long since anyone offered me wine. When was the last time again? Stranger.
What an adorable
Strangers
little
are
thing!
the best.
Look at how she trembles. What's the point of drinking alone? Anything new?
the scent of blades slicing through flesh, which refuses to drink with.
It smells so good. I want to drink it.
My lord, I humbly offer you this most precious wine, brewed with moonlight. It might not be exactly the same as the legendary moonlight wine. It's just the color. The color is a bit off.
Hey, are you my brewer?
I'm the daughter of your last brewer, Egmet, the sister of a deer. If you're satisfied with the wine, please show me some mercy. I beg you to forgive them for the mistake they made before, and show them mercy.
Aimut? Akti? Oh, your wine is good. As reward...
My father is Ekman. He and my brother used to.
As reward...
I don't want the gold cup. My father...
Lucky you.
Sir, I offer you fine wine to your...
What? The Tongue Army.
How dare you, Shang's whelp! Disgusting. Kill him!
My lord! My lord!
Alur, just now.
My lord, which wine shall we serve at tomorrow's banquet?
Let everyone taste this new wine, and have 100 jars ready.
100 jars? Tomorrow? How's that possible? The moonlight wine takes...
I can do it. We won't let you down. The best wine will be offered to you and your finest friends. The noblest lords in the world. But keep every lowly person outside the door. They would spoil the wine's fragrance, and they are unworthy of even a single whiff.
I like that. Smart of you.
That lord didn't even drink the wine your father brewed. He was killing people to take out his rage.
Banquet red, river black.
How could you do that? Wait!
The moon has set. The moon has set. Have you guys passed out? No turning back. Banquet red, river black. This is the moonlight wine. This is... I see! When I was little, I wished to become a good brewer. A brewer must heat the vines through winter, constantly harvesting during the season, constantly mixing. And in return, we get a tiny reward. One that my father didn't want me to live this harsh life, but a dear. He wanted to become the best brewer. So he always kept me by his side while he brewed, secretly teaching me. He didn't want me to cry. When I was little, he tried to cheer me up, When I grew older, he always wanted to buy me things, even when I'd only stolen a glance at his hand. No matter how different their thoughts were, they both loved me. Very, very much.
I know. I truly do. My hometown was the best place in the world, and my parents were.
Then do you know what hatred is? At first, it was only a small rift, with a sharp, cracking sound. You want to pretend you couldn't hear it. You deny it. Tell yourself you were lucky. You even scream in despair. You try to hold it down with all your strength. You pull it, drag it, press it down, but it doesn't work. The black oil slips through your fingers. You can't breathe. You know the rift is collapsing, yet your heart only beats back out to explode, yet it can't even reach anything. The world collapses. You're a roaring sandstorm, a shrieking thunderbolt, yet covered in slimy black mud. Do you know what to do? Don't become a sandstorm or a thunderstorm. Instead, set fire to the black mud and let it burn into raging flames. Let that fire crawl up the tyrant's clothes, licking their skin inch by inch. Turn yourself into a blade, cut the freeloader's throat, and listen to their whimpering, soaked in fine wine and rumbling echoes. Smear the filthy blood of those lords across their face, hang their ugly heads before the graves, and grind their dark entrails deep into the mud. And you, your heart won't stop. It will follow you day and night, beating. But the one good thing is, you no longer have to cry. This feeling, do you understand it too? Moon, shine on me. Pity me. With my blood, I beg one last grace. Let wine flow forever under night's curtain. Banquet red, river black. Guests passed out, no turning back.
Wine in this pool really can fill 100 jars.
Excellent. You did well, Alur. Here, I'll reward you with a taste of it.
Alur? Anton,
You've got a sword, right? So why can't you save her?
Dirbek Exit!
I am the friend, killer blade. Be down.
I am the sister of a deer Ekman!
I am the friend of Groot. The Red Herald isn't young master of blissful retreat!
You're trying to get even.
Blood for my father
And my
brother!
Alur! This is hers. Have you returned to your hometown? Alur Ahmed. Have your tears been dried away?